The vegetables we need are carrots, red beets, golden beets, onions, and cabbage, and garlic. Other vegetables to incorporate are dill, peppers, and celery. Put oil in a deep pan and saute the onions. For this recipe, we added diced ginger, but that is not a typical ingredient for this soup. Add water, salt, pepper, and if you want, you could add in a bay leaf. Place on a medium-high heat until the water boils lightly. Shred the beets and carrots and chop up any other vegetables. Add the vegetables into the pot, then add the chopped cabbage. If you want, you could add a few cloves. Now we add dill, parsley, or both. Mix the soup and then simmer it for 5 minutes. Now the soup is ready.